Now I am sharing a horrible story of messy code for which a company closed its operation. In 18th century, a team of developers came up with an idea for a new app. The app name was Killer App, and they did a fantastic job and released the first version of that killer app. Within very short time, they get a huge response from the user, and after a time being, user start to report some bugs. User were experiencing crashes and other technical issues that were causing very frustration. So the whole team decided to release the next version of that app. When they just do the modification of their own code, they just lost. And they tried all possible way to fix all the bugs and release the next version. But they failed, and ultimately that popular app have been down forever with such journey of success story. That is the great lesson for every developer, for every entrepreneur, for every small startup who are concerned about the sustainability of their business. If the code was written in well manner, such story definitely would not be happen. Developer could fix all the issues with a logical timeline. So this is a great lesson learned from the history to maintain clean code. And that's why clean code is a more concern. Whenever you write any single code, it should be clean. Otherwise, such horrible story will be happened with you.